Today we're going to be vlogging. Today we're having a barbecue right now. We're going to watch over there as they do some yoga, so yeah. So we're just having a barbecue like over there. You see them? Yeah, so. This barbecue. Hopefully you guys can see it. And stay there, Nate. There's Wolfney.
What's up, guys?
And then King Wolf Guard right here. Hold on, I'm still holding it. I'll give it to you. For half the video, me, half the video. So then there's Wolf Expo.
Wolf Expo.
Doing right there. Hopefully you guys can see I'm wearing a sandal.
What's up, guys? Want to see me?
Go.
Slide all the way up, slide all the way down.
I can't really see him. And here is
Why do you only have one trumpet on?
So we're just right here with Nate again. I just see Grizzly juice. Already 6 subscribers.
You're on your way to come up.
Yep. Sorry, the flash is gone. It's just that sometimes the battery goes down, and yeah, we only have like 15 or 14%. So yeah. Some kebabs, quesadillas, some chicken. Yeah.
YouTube. Subscribe me. Follow me.
So yeah, you guys can see that light from right there. Wolfman. Hold on. Hey, we're here again, and yeah, as you can see, I'm wearing a sandal and no seeing.